Hey, welcome back to my channel. I woke up and decided that I want to live the last day of 2024. Turned the lights on, wore my socks and these cute slippers, and then here you can see me making the bed. And then I drank water. Here I'm brushing my teeth. Doing this will be your ear guided meditation. Then I received a parcel from Flipkart. It is the white wallpaper and silk pillow cover cases that I ordered. I took shower and these are the socks that I'm wearing today. It's time to do skincare now. Here I'm applying the toner and then the serum and then the moisturizer and the sunscreen. My mind feels so fresh already because of this morning routine, but let's get ready for the solo date now. I'm super excited. I came to the park because I wanted to spend some time in nature. I wanted to end 2024 with a very good vibe. I feel so happy today. Look at me. It's so cold out here, but I don't feel cold. I feel really warm and this little cold that I really love. I feel warm because I have layered so many clothes. I love this. I think I will sit there near the tree. That's a perfect spot for my solo date. I'm so happy. Wow, look at this tree. It's so beautiful. I want to say this to you. Thank you so much for joining me in 2024. You guys are one of my biggest gratitude for 2024. You have no idea how grateful I am to find you guys. Love you guys so much. It feels so good to be in nature. My mind feels so calm. Like the summer have been really hectic, you know. My room makeover was not getting done. Before that I socialized too much. I was completely drained. This solo date is something I needed. Birds chirping and the birds are coming next to me, and the sun, the winter sun, the warmth of winter sun. It's perfect. I've heard if you hug the tree, it helps mentally and takes away the negative emotions. Let's just try it. I'm gonna paint now. I reached home. I reached around 5 p.m. and I was feeling really hungry. So it's time to eat. Drinking some water because I'm about to do something that will take all my energy. Eat this white glossy wallpaper for my desk. Trust me, it took so much of my energy to do this. I was really tired and I was feeling really cold. I pasted almost everywhere except for some places. This is how it looks. I love it. Removed my makeup and doing my skincare. Now let's see what I got from Mr. DIY today. I edited a reel and posted that. It took me a lot of time to edit this one, and then I checked my planner if I got everything done, and yes, I did. After finishing my dinner, I also had milk and then left for my best friend's place because I'm gonna be doing a night in at her place. Hi guys. And now we are going out to get Maggie. The shop was closed, but we called the shopkeeper and now he's coming to give us the Maggie. So glad that we got our Maggie. We got 3 Maggie. There are 3 pencils free with Maggie. Here my best friend is showing me her Notion setup for 2025. She did such an organized setup and this journal area is so aesthetic. Oh my god. Very nervous. We'll make it. Yes. I love you 2024. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Yay! Happy New Year! 2025 is gonna be our year and we'll make it.